Hello everyone, let me take you on a shop with me today. I have quite a few family and friends that ask me how do I do my Dollar General coupon shopping, so I'm going to show you that today. So I wanted to do a quick video to talk a little bit about the app. This is what we're going to be looking for in the store. And on this shop I was able to find everything except that last item, which I was highly upset about because I wanted to clear my whole list. So what we're going to do, we're going to go in the store and I'm going to show you what items we're going to be choosing today. One of the items was a 6-pack of Scott toilet paper, and I was on the wrong end. I was on the end with the paper towels, so I had to make my way down to the other side of the store, and we found it. So that's one of the first things on our list. Now the Scott coupon was for $1 off, and it was already 55 cents off from the Dollar General sale. I wasn't able to find a 2.5 ounce of toothpaste, but I was still able to use that $1.50 coupon to my other toothpaste purchase. So now we're looking for the 3-pack of toothpaste. There we go. With the baking soda and peroxide. In the app, it says it was only 2, and I was lucky to find 3. And just go through the coupons to explore the different options. And this is where I was looking for the small 2.5 ounce toothpaste. This one right here. It's 71 cents. I'll probably go to another store and see if they have it, but you can't beat that with a stick. So now I'm looking for the Febreze, and I want to share this with you all because I thought that this was the Febreze that I can try to get for 95 cents. But what I did was I checked it by pressing the barcode in the app, and it showed me that it was a $4 can, not the $3.25 can. So I looked on the shelf again for another one. Now it wasn't the Silver Air. And then this one rang up $3.25, so we were good. So I got that one instead of the first one. So now I'm feeling like I'm accomplished or whatnot walking around the store. But I still feel a little defeated because in the system it said it was 26 of those 2.5 ounce toothpaste. And I didn't find them nowhere in the store. So now I'm at the register. If you're going to do the self-checkout, make sure you enter your phone number at the self-checkout. When I went to the self-checkout, the prices just didn't come up right for me. So I ended up having to go to the other checkout and let her check me out there. One of my very important tips is to make sure all of your coupons are clipped and your phone number is attached to your app, because that is how your discounts will show up in the system. So my total today was $14.66. I saved a total of $9.35, but I noticed on my receipt that my dollar coupon for my Scott toilet paper did not come off. So I went back into the app and looked at the coupon rules, and since it showed $1.95 in my app, that means that $1 coupon could be applied to that. So you will have to let the cashier know that you need to do a manual manufacturer's coupon in case that discount doesn't automatically apply. Needless to say, I saved about $9.35 today. Cool haul.